Welcome back to Achievers Friends. Today we are going to study nouns. Friends, all the parts of speech are connected with each other. Like noun helps in picking out adjectives. If you miss one noun in a sentence, it's not possible to pick out adjective correctly. About nouns, I still remember a common definition we have been learning since childhood, that noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. But is the definition sufficient? Are we able to pick out all kinds of noun from a sentence? To some extent, the answer will come in no. So therefore, we get stuck in other parts of speech. The motive of today's interaction is to convey that proper knowledge of noun will help you picking out other parts of speech correctly. So understand the topic thoroughly. Let's begin.
Before we study about noun, we should know that why are we reading nouns and what position does noun hold in the sentence. So to do that, we should know what a word class is. We know that a sentence is made up of words, and the words of a sentence, when they join together, they give the complete sense to its meaning. Each word plays its role, and according to their jobs, words have been classified into 9 different categories. They are also known as parts of speech. For example, if I write this sentence, 50 passengers sit anywhere in the big bus. So you can take example of any sentence and you will notice that each sentence is made up of different words, and these words play different jobs in the sentence. So according to their job, we have divided these words into 9 categories. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, determiner, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So we will see how these words play job in the sentence. For example, in this sentence, the word 50 is an adjective because it is modifying passengers. The passengers is a noun, sit is a verb, anywhere is a adverb, in is a preposition, the is an article or determiner. Articles are also known as determiner. Big is again an adjective, and bus is again a noun. So we have seen that a sentence is made of different words, and these words play roles in the sentence. Therefore, to learn correct grammar, we should understand the concept of all parts of speech, which we can learn in the concerned videos. So the first part of speech is noun. Let's see what a noun is. The part of speech that is used to name a person, place, thing, quality, or action is called noun. We can divide nouns into two main groups. These are concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns can be further divided into four categories. They are common, proper, collective, and material. Concrete nouns have material body and they can be seen or touched or experienced through our five senses, like table. We can see table, we can touch table, and we can experience also through our body parts. Another example of concrete noun is brick. You can see brick, you can touch it also, you can experience it. And in the same way, we can do the same things with book. So all the nouns which you can experience through five senses, they are ear, eyes, and nose, tongue, and the fifth one is skin. So these five senses can be used to experience concrete nouns. If you are able to identify a noun through these five senses, it means that is a concrete noun. Then comes abstract nouns. So nouns that name idea, concepts, quality, feeling, or any state of action which cannot be touched or experienced through our five senses are called abstract nouns. So if you are unable to experience noun through your five senses, it means that is abstract noun. We will study in detail about abstract noun in the next video. Let's see what are the common nouns. A noun that gives a common name to person, place, thing is a common noun. Common noun means a name that is commonly used. For example, a boy is reading a book. In this sentence, we can see two nouns, that is a boy and a book. So now the question arises that how these are common nouns. The boy is a common noun because you can find many boys around you. In the same way, you might have seen many books in your life too, so which are commonly found are common noun. Cows and goats are milch animals. Cows, which is common because cows can be many, goats can be many, and the word animals that can also be used as common noun because it's not a name and animals can be of different kinds. So it's common. Trees and you can find many trees. You might have seen many plants around you. So these two both are common nouns as they come in the category of things. There are many big cities in our country. So cities, there are number of cities, there are number of countries too which are commonly found. It depends on the weather. Weather is again a common noun because weather can also be sensed through our skin. So, concrete nouns are those which can be experienced through our five senses. Now, let's see what are the proper nouns. As opposite of common noun, proper noun is the noun which name a particular person, place, or thing. For example, Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. There is a person whose name is Mahatma Gandhi, but this person was only one. There was no another Mahatma Gandhi who was ever born. But in the same sentence, we can see a word leader. You can see many leaders around you, but you will not find the same Mahatma Gandhi. So this word is proper noun, but you can see many leaders around you. So this leaders will be common noun. Let's see the next example. Paris is the capital of France. Paris is one city only, and you will not find the copy of Paris anywhere. We can find another proper noun here is France, which is again a name. There is only one country, France, so it will be a proper noun. But we can find many capitals. So capital will be a common noun. Graham Bell invented telephone. So Graham Bell was one person and he was a particular person and it's a name too, so it will be proper noun. But the word telephone is not a proper noun because telephones can be many. So it's a common noun. Macbeth was written by William Shakespeare. Macbeth is a novel, it's a name and a specific thing. So, Macbeth is the only novel which cannot be repeated, even if people can name their novels as Macbeth, but that is not that Macbeth which we are talking about. So, this Macbeth is a single novel which was written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is a person and he is the name of a person, so it will be a proper noun. Indore is the cleanest city of India. Indore is a place, it's a name, so it's a proper noun. And India is also one, so it's a proper noun. But there are many cities, so cities will be common noun. So in this way we can identify between common noun and now let's see what are the collective nouns. It is the third type of concrete nouns. A noun which names a collection of something is called collective noun. Collection means group of something. The teacher is taking the class. So class is a group of students. So it's a collective noun. Our army beat the enemy back. Army is a group of soldiers, so it will be collective noun. The Indian team won the match. So team is a group of players. So it will be a collective noun. It's a collection or group of something. The ship has a crew of 100 sailors. The staff at the ship is known as crew. So crew is a group of sailors. I saw a school of fish in the aquarium. Group of fish is known as school. So it will again be a collective noun. In these sentences, we have found out that groups and collection of something is called collective nouns. But let's see that in these sentences, are there any other nouns too? So yes, like you can find many teachers around you. So teacher is a common noun. Our army beat the enemy back. Enemies can be many. They are not the names of any one enemy. So it's a common. The Indian team won the match. Match is a common noun match can be a common phenomena. The word Indian is not a noun. When we will read about adjectives, we will come to know that why it is not so, because Indian here is a proper adjective. The ship has a crew of 100 sailors. Sailors is again a common noun, and ship is also a common noun. I saw a school of fish in the aquarium. So here fish is a common noun and aquarium is a common noun. All the things or all the places which are commonly found are common noun, and the group of something is a collective noun. Let's see the fourth type, that is material noun. A material noun is a name given to any material used to make things. So all those substances or things which are used to make any material is called material noun. Like this furniture is made of wood. So the furniture is made of wood. So the wood will be material noun. And furniture, as we had discussed, can be commonly found, it will be a common noun. The window is made of glass. So window, we know that it's a common noun, but it's made of what? It's made of glass. So glass will be material noun. Gold is used for making ornaments. Ornaments means jewelry, which is commonly found. It's common noun, but it's made of gold. Gold is the substance that is used to make ornaments. So gold will be material noun. Although we can find gold anywhere, although gold can be of any type, but it comes in the category of material because it's a substance which is used to make other things. Tires are made of rubber. Tires, common noun, and rubber, is a substance which is used to make tire, is a material noun. Jimmy's castle is made of sand. Castle, common noun. If we remember, the names are proper nouns. So Jimmy will be proper noun. And the castle is made out of sand. Sand is a substance or material that is used, so it will be material noun. Point to remember about material noun is that material noun can also become a common noun in some conditions. Like it becomes a common noun when there is an article before it or the noun is used in the plural form. In the examples we will see, these were the examples which we have seen before. In these examples, wood, glass, gold, rubber and sand are used as material noun. But how these words can be used as common noun is like father is burning the wood to get fuel. So here also we have used wood, but in this sentence, this wood is a common noun. The reason is that the furniture is made of wood. Here we are talking about wood as a substance, that the wood was used to make furniture. But in this sentence, wood is not making anything. Another way to check is that if there is an article before the material noun, then it becomes a common noun. Articles are a, an and the. So if the articles are coming before material noun, it becomes a common noun. Another example, the window is made of glass. Here the glass is used to make window, so it's a material noun. But here glasses are not making anything. It's used as a plural form here. He has painted on the glasses. So in this sentence, we can easily see that there is an article before the material noun, and second, glass is not used to make anything. Shilpi bought a gold ring for me. Again, there is an article, and gold is not used here to make any ring, but in this sentence, gold is used to make ornaments. Don't write anything on the rubber. So again, there is an article, and rubber is not used to make anything, but tires are made of rubber. Clearly seen that rubber is making tire. Children are playing in the sand. In this sentence, the castle was made of sand. So children are using sand as a play tool, so it will be used as a common noun. In the next video, we will study about abstract nouns. You can see the link of next video on the screen itself. So stay connected. Thank you.